For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at itin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais din po namin paalam sa inyo na paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay na pinagbabawal. Maraming salamat po.